Gex sent me my replacement tripod. What's up, DB gang? So first and foremost, before I jump into this video, I want to tell everybody thank you for wishing me a happy birthday. My birthday was last week, Thursday, November 7th. So I thank you guys who wished me happy birthday on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, phone calls, text messages. You know, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. So I'm gonna jump into this little Gex unboxing. They did send me my replacement tripod. Like, you know what, let me just do an unboxing for you guys, for you ladies who searching for a wig tripod, who want to make y'all wigs and stuff like that. I said let me go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys. You guys can see what y'all are purchasing. Now, before my tripod got messed up, I did order this off of Amazon. I will leave all the information down below in the description box. So guys, I did change the angle of the camera so you guys can have a better view of the unboxing. And I'm just gonna, I should have got a knife, but I'm just going to try and open this up. Thank God for nails. Now y'all, this is Gex second time sending me this, because the first time they sent it out to me, sent it via the post service. Unfortunately, the post office lost my package, so I was, you know, in contact with Gex. Customer service was fantastic because they made sure to, you know, stay in communication with me to see if I, you know, received the package, the update and stuff like that. So once I told them no, I did not receive the package, they sent another one out. We just have some tissue paper, and it's just pretty much the Gex receipt. And this tripod do come with a 1-year warranty. So this is the tripod itself. It comes in this box, so it's another box inside of the actual shipping box. I'm gonna just put that off to the side. Hopefully I can open this with my nails. It's like taped really good. UPS. So once they told me that they was gonna send it out, I did receive it in 2 days. So Saturday I did receive this package. And hold on, I gotta get a knife, y'all. I'm back. So basically I had to, you know, I did reach out to them via Amazon or whatever, and I just basically had to send proof of what happened to the last mannequin stand. I believe, I guess the screw got loose and the screw popped out, so, you know, the top wasn't staying. I'm gonna show you guys what was going on when I take this out. So when I open the box, I have this packaging. The tripod do come in a little bag, a little black bag, and it do say Gex on it, and it's very, you know, heavy, very heavy. And it do have a strap, so if you just wanna, you know, have this tripod stand portable, it comes with a strap on the bag. I'm gonna just pull this out. And everything is, you know, secure. This is the top part. So I'm gonna just take this out of the bag. What's this? I don't remember doing all of this last time. Ooh, child. What's up? break this. Alright, so it do have one of the pieces in the little baggie with the instructions on it. So I'm gonna just take everything out. So inside the bag you do get the top part where the mannequin or the canvas head do sit on, and you get an extra screw on piece in the manual, and you get the tripod itself. So I'm just take this out of the bag. And this was actually the piece that came off, like it wouldn't stay screwed on. So I just had to send them a little video clip of what was going on. And you know, I didn't have no type of issues on, you know, getting a replacement kit besides UPS, you know, losing my package. So you get this little pamphlet in the Ziploc bag, and this one do come with another 1-year warranty, which is amazing. Hopefully y'all can see that. That's how tall the mannequin go. And this is the back, and this is the front. Y'all, I'm gonna take this little screw pieces out of the Ziploc bag. Hopefully I can put this on because of these nails. I don't remember doing all of this. So y'all, unfortunately I need a screwdriver. So yeah, I need a screwdriver. So I'm gonna push that to the side, and I'm just gonna take all this little bubble wrap, pull it off. The kids will have fun popping that. And you know, it's very, very sturdy. It says GX right here. And you basically pull it open and push it down so it could, you know, open up, and you could actually use this, twist this to actually, you could actually twist this to, you know, lock it in place. And it also have the pull things, the pull tabs. Hopefully you guys can see that. It have that, so you guys can adjust the tripod. I'm not going to show all of it, but y'all pretty much get my drift of what I'm trying to show you guys. So that's how that is looking like. Those are the legs. So I'm going to just pull this back down. And it has it has two of those. It comes with a total of 2 of those adjustable so it comes with 2 adjustable height extenders. So all you do is just pull this open and you pull it down, and you do the same thing. You pull that open and this extends. So this tripod, when both of these, so when all 3 of these legs are extended, this tripod is higher than me. I'm going to screw this piece on like so. And basically this piece right here, you can control this, so you can move it however you want. And I'm just gonna tighten that back up so y'all can see it's like really tight. And this little lever right here, you can adjust this, so I'm going to show you guys that. Well, y'all, I had to turn the camera off real quick because I was really lost. I'm assuming these are just extra pieces, like extra screws, an extra knob that they sent me because they know the last piece, because they know the last tripod I had, the piece came out. So I believe these are just extra pieces because I just checked this whole entire tripod. I don't see anywhere I could put these pieces. So guys, as I'm sitting here looking, I was like, you know what, let me find out where these pieces go. And in one part of the video, you guys will see where I said, I held it up and I said, I don't know where these pieces go. Y'all can clearly see there's a hole right here. I didn't see that until I went to go back to try and edit it. So this little screw piece goes in like so, and you just screw it on. And it looks like that. But this is the number that I was basically texting them on, and you know, having communication with them so they could send me out the replacement kit. So if you do not know how to get in contact with them, I'm just gonna hold this right quick so you guys can take a little screenshot of that number and you guys can have that, and I will also put it in the description box as well. To adjust this height part, all you have to do is just twist this nozzle right here, and then you want to pull this out and you want to twist it, and as y'all can see, it's starting to raise. It's starting to raise, as y'all can see. And it could go really, really high. So if you guys do not want to adjust the legs at the bottom, you also have another opportunity to adjust this part as well. And to just bring it back down, all you got to do is just twist, and you know, it comes back down. And don't forget to just screw it back, tighten it back so it can lock in place, and you can just pull that down. And you just pop your little mannequin head on top. The X right here. Hopefully my camera is focused. These are the legs. These are the two extenders I was telling you guys about. Into them. And they are on all three of the legs. Here. And this is the bottom. Overall, you know, it's really sturdy. I like this, you know, tripod. I'm gonna show you guys how to close this. Basically, all you do is just twist this nozzle. Twist this nozzle, and you push it up. And you twist that back so it can tighten and stay closed. And this is how it looks when it's closed. And if you just want to put it in the bag, all you do is just basically unscrew this piece. And it comes right off. And this is how it looks. And all you do is just put it back in a bag. Put the top part in the bag. And zip everything up. And your tripod is nicely secured in this bag. And like I said, the bag do come with a strap. And it's very easy, convenient, and affordable. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing of this GX tripod mannequin stand. Like I said, all the information will be down below in the description box, so definitely check it out, as well as the direct link on where you guys can purchase this mannequin tripod stand from. Y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget to press that like button, comment down below, as well as subscribe, and also turn on all of your post notifications so every time I upload a video you guys can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Until my next one, I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.